I love trucks. I am your truck girl. I was born to sell commercial vehicles, specifically zone in on commercial government fleet entities. So these people need specialty vehicles, whether it be a van, a utility truck, a flatbed, a dump. I sell the Fords, I sell the Chevys, I sell the Rams. My clients have never bought a Chevy product or a Ram product. So now that I'm introducing them to those products, they're like, oh my gosh, there is something out there besides just a Ford product. You just can't come into a retail store and expect that first person that you meet to know and have that knowledge. That knowledge takes years and years and years to get to make sure that you get the right payload, you get the right engine, you get the right rear end, all that kind of stuff. So my job is to make sure that their vehicle is on the road, it's in good condition, and they're always running and making money. They call me 24 hours a day, I pick up the phone. I'm Bobby Winterhalder. I can offer you 3 different brands. I can offer you all kinds of options. You can do one-stop shopping at one place, and I'll give you 3 different brand prices if you need.